This is the MSI Raider GE78HX. It comes with a 17-inch 16x10 QHD plus 240Hz display, as well as a fully RGB keyboard with the translucent WASD keys, with also a matrix light bar. Inside, we actually have the highest performance with an i9-13980HX processor, as well as up to a 4090 graphics card. Inside, we actually redesigned the GPU and CPU's cooling system with a shared pipe design. That means you can push out performance whenever you need. Plus, we also have a dedicated VRAM P pipe that's strictly just for VRAM. This laptop can actually support up to a Gen 5 SSD, which has the world's fastest read and write speed onto the storage. For more information, check out the link in the description.